Hello everyone, welcome to Situational English at Sakar Institute. So, how's everyone doing? I'm very sure everybody is happy and healthy. So, how's your English journey going? I'm very sure you are moving with a good speed and you have reached a good level by now. So, what are we going to do in today's video? Well, in today's video, we'll again pick up some situation, fine, and we'll pick up a situation and we'll see that if we are stuck in a similar situation, fine, क्योंकि अक्सर मैं वही situations लेती हूँ जो हम डे टू डे लाइफ में अक्सर हमारे साथ होता है, फाइन, और कभी ना कभी ज़रूर होता है, ठीक है, आज नहीं हुआ कल होगा परसों होगा, फाइन, बट ऐसी सिचुएशन में हम में से हर कोई ज़रूर आता है. सो आई पिक अप सिचुएशंस विच आर मोर लाइकली टू हैपन इन एवरीबडीज लाइफ सो दैट यू कैन रिलेट विद इट, फाइन. So in today's video, the situation that we are going to pick is that suppose you have scolded somebody or maybe you have insulted somebody, fine, and later you realize that it was not that person's fault, fine, maybe the fault was yours, fine. Then how do you feel about it and what do you do in that case, fine? So we'll first pick the first part of the situation where we are saying that how do you feel about it when you realize that it was not the other person's fault. Last night I scolded my daughter so badly, and later when she went to sleep, I realized when I was just winding up the study table and all, and I was picking up her books and all, I suddenly realized that, oh my god, it was totally my fault. And I felt so bad because I had really been nasty at her. मतलब मैंने उसके साथ कुछ बहुत ही बुरा व्यवहार कर दिया था. I was really very rude and I'm feeling so bad right now. I can't even go and say sorry to her because she has fallen asleep. I will speak to her in the morning and let me see what her reaction is. But I'm feeling terribly bad about it. I'll let you know what happened. Now here the conversation will be, or it was just one-sided conversation. So here I'll be speaking to my daughter, I'll be talking to my daughter and how I apologize to her. Fine? Hi beta, you woken up? How are you feeling now? Are you still having a headache? Shreya, I'm really sorry beta, I shouted so badly at you last night. And after you had fell asleep, I realized that it was not your fault. Rather, it was my fault for not having understood you. I don't know what was going on in my mind. And when you, wanted to say that you were not able to finish your homework because your notebook was with your friend, I misunderstood as you had forgotten your notebook in the school, and I was even thinking maybe I interpreted that since you had not finished your homework, you were trying to come up with an excuse so late at night, and I really got furious at you. These days, your grandmother is not keeping well. So I was talking with her only that time when you came up with your problem. And I was really tensed about her. I was, feeling quite helpless because I didn't know what to do. And I'm still clueless what to do. But that's another story. And I think that should not be an excuse. I'm not even giving it as an excuse for scolding you. Beta, please forgive your mama. Please, beta, please forgive your mama. I know I have been really nasty with you these days, and I don't know what's wrong with me these days. Maybe it's the age. Fine, but my kiddo, please forgive me. I'm really feeling very bad, and later at night when I checked the phone and I saw your friend's message on phone, I saw that she was saying sorry to you because she was not able to return your notebook on time. She was supposed to come and return your notebook, and it was entirely her fault. It was not your fault, beta. I'm really sorry बच्चे, please forgive me, please. Okay, I'll order something good for you today, fine, when you come back from school. Okay, are you happy now? I'm sorry beta, I'm sorry for having misunderstood you, and I'm sorry for being so rude. Fine, okay, bye bye, have a good day at school. So in this situation, what you did is you picked up a situation where you had maybe scolded your daughter over something which was not her fault, and later you realized that it was your fault, and then you apologized to her. And you know, kids these days, कोई बार पता लग जाता है कि मम्मी पापा की गलती है, तो वो और ज़्यादा, you know, they become very adamant, no, I'll not forgive you and all that. But you know, mama has to do so many things to keep the child happy. Here in the last part, I said, okay, I'll order something for you. Fine. That is not always necessary. Fine. And rather you should avoid doing all those things like I'll order something for you, because कई बार क्या होता है कि वे बच्चे इसकी आदत बना लेते हैं. I mean, it just came out with a flow, which I said. And sometimes you can do it. I'm not saying that you should not order anything for your child from outside, fine, but not every time, fine. So that's all for today's class, that's all for today's video. I'm sure you must have picked up some very useful sentences which you can use in your day-to-day life. And like, please forgive me, I'm sorry, I was very rude, I was very nasty at you. I mean, see, if you see the video carefully, even in a short video of 5 to 6 minutes, you can pick up so many sentences which you can use in your day-to-day life. Fine. Like, I was very nasty at you. This you can say to anybody. You can say to your friend, आपने अपने friend को कोई बहुत भला बुरा कह दिया, गाली वाली दे दिया, and you can later you apologize and you say, sorry yaar, I was really nasty at you. Fine. So this you can say to your husbands also, fine, because husbands को बहुत ज़्यादा शिकायत होती है कि wife कभी sorry नहीं बोलती है उनको. Fine. So that's another issue. Fine. And we'll discuss that later. And so you have to just watch the video carefully, and you have to pick up sentences of your use. Fine. So see you in another class, see you in another video. Till then, keep liking and sharing my videos, and do subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it as yet. Until then, bye bye.